everybody, what is up and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. I cannot believe it is Christmas Eve. Merry early Christmas. I know when you guys are watching this it is like a week past Christmas because I got so behind, but I still wanted to say it anyways. It has been a very slow day at work, unsurprisingly. I've taken a whopping 2 phone calls since I clocked in a little after 8 this morning, so I figured I might as well get the vlog started while I'm getting some stuff done around the house this morning and getting ready to go over to my in-laws for Christmas Eve. It's become a tradition to celebrate Christmas Eve over at their house with just like the parents, the siblings, all of that good stuff, so that on Christmas Day we can typically go see like grandparents and everything like that. But with this year being a bit different, Nathan and I have decided that we're just gonna stay home. We're gonna have my sisters and niece over for dinner and just have a nice low-key holiday, which I'm super excited about. I figured I would start today's vlog off with my advent calendar since we will be opening up 2 different pairs of socks today. So we'll open up the socks and the face mask, and then I need to work on getting everything gathered together, so I think I'm going to get that done and hope I don't get a phone call, quite honestly, because I'm ready to be off. Okay, my nail flipped off yesterday, so I'm gonna have to glue that on before we leave, but ooh, these ones are cute. Oh, they've got little hearts on them. Oh, these look like kind of like Valentine's Day socks. Okay, give me just a moment. Of course. I hate having to stop recording every time I get these socks. Can't do it one-handed. Okay, what do these ones say? Oh my gosh, they say why not? And they have a wine bottle on them with hearts. These are freaking adorable. I am obsessed with these socks that I got this year. These are perfect. Oh my. Alright, let's throw these on and get some stuff in. Oh wait, the face mask, hold up. Okay, so, still haven't taken yesterday's face mask out of the box, or one from last week, but the final face mask is the charcoal and black sugar mud mask. So, this is one of the ones that I am most excited to try. It's been a couple of days since I've done a face mask, so maybe I will do this one a little bit later on today with you guys, depending on how the day goes. I'll either do it later today or we'll do it tomorrow, so that I make sure to do this one on Vlogmas with you guys. Can I poke this enough? So now let's go get some things gathered up. So I stuck all of the presents that need to go kind of under the tree yesterday. So I think I'm going to wait to move those for just a little bit. I think I'm going to start by getting the Cricut packed up that my lovely sister-in-law let me use. Cambry, if you're watching this, thank you so much for letting me use that again. I already wanted my own and now I want one even more. But I don't know if I... Yes, I did show you guys the ornaments yesterday. The We Survived 2020 with our names on them. If my camera will freaking focus. They're so cute. I'm obsessed with them. Okay, so I'm gonna get the Cricut packed up. I need to get my pie made too. So let's get all of this done.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present.
So the Cricut doesn't fit in the bag that they brought it in, so I just put it in one of my bigger reusable bags. I popped off a nail while doing that, so that's fun. So yeah, I just put it in this so that I can put some other things in here and lessen how many things we have to carry, and then we'll get things switched over to their bag when we get there. I've decided that my next task is going to be getting my pie made for today. I was debating on if I wanted to make my pie or not. I should say my mom's pie, because it's so good and I've been craving it, like I mentioned a little while ago, but like I didn't want to make it because I have to work this morning, and then I said screw it the other day and bought the apples, and here we are. So I am, like I said, I'm gonna get that made, but I wanted to go ahead and make myself a chai tea latte first, and I figured I'd show you guys how I do that, since I discovered when I was going through the drive-thru one day that this is pretty much how Dutch Road does theirs. Alright, I got all my supplies gathered up. So, first thing, I need some ice in my cup. Let me grab that. Okay, so I will only put about, I hate trying to film at an angle like this, I don't know, like that much, like 2 inches of ice in. I don't put very much ice in the bottom here at all so that it doesn't get too watered down. And then I will put in, so this is, first things first, this is the chai that Dutch Bros uses, the Oregon chai brand. I was at Costco one day and saw this and like just kind of looked over how easy it is to make my own and decided I might as well get it. So it's basically just a 1-to-1 ratio of milk or a dairy substitute and then your Oregon chai. And then Dutch Bros, of course, just adds in all of their flavoring. So I'm going to be using the hazelnut flavoring that Nathan actually gave me as an early Christmas present yesterday. So I'm very excited to have myself a little hazelnut chai tea latte while I get this pie made.
Present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down. The storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us.
So I got the apples all cut up and I'm ready to add in the rest of the filling. And I realized because I deleted the freaking footage yesterday, you guys haven't seen the cutting board my mom got me. I am so stoked about this. Look at how freaking cute. I have I think you guys have seen this one, but I've got a Hello Sunshine cutting board that I got at Smith's over the summer for like $5 or something like that. And as the holidays were approaching, I decided that I wanted a holiday cutting board, so I asked my mom for one for Christmas because I know she'd get me a cute one. And she did, and it's a glass cutting board too, which I have never used a glass cutting board, but my first impression is I really like it. So since I deleted that footage, I will do just a little like what I got for Christmas type of a haul tomorrow for you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the pie filling made. So, my cutting board out of the way. Okay, so into the apples, I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm actually gonna mix that up in a little bit of a smaller bowl first and then pour it in there.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week.
Because I'm feeling slightly lazy and also I have really sucked in making pie crust in the past, I'm gonna go ahead and use just a store-bought one and hope that this one doesn't fall apart this time like it is. Because last time I made my apple pie, I ended up having to make a crust from scratch because my crust did not want to cooperate. Alright, it's going decent, I think my problem last time was I was trying to unroll it into the pan. I don't know if this is because it's the Kroger dough that is doing this, or wouldn't surprise me. Alright, well, this is mostly successful. Just right here at the end. I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of fell apart there. It looks really good over here, but alright, let's try to get this in the pie pan. See how this goes. Well, that's definitely not going to win any competitions, but I am surprisingly proud of how that turned out. So, I'm going to get the apples put in the crust, make the topping, throw this in the oven, and then I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do because I was able to get a little VTO, so I'm almost off for the day. I'm gonna start getting ready, quite honestly, after I get this done. Holy cow, finally got most everything ready to go, and we're running a little late, so I'll check in with you guys when we get there.
Okay, but the cookbook does go with that.
100%. That's why I was like, oh, this works great. I'll give it to her.
See, I love that. I saw one of those that you could personalize. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Was it engraved with your name? Cute.
So,
That was a big pan.
Yeah.
Or
I was
spatula, not
looking
pad.
for a different, so I was looking for just like a festive one at Target, right? And they didn't have any, but they had that big one. I was like, well, I'm gonna buy that instead. And then I went to Walmart like a couple days later and they had a festive one. I was like, all right, it's a buck, I'm buying it.
Right.
Oh, and
Well, I go
that's
shoot
cool.
clay pigeons
Established
sometime, I got-
1994.
That is super
And
cute.
then there's one more thing in there for you
Oh,
as
is
well.
there?
Yes.
Cute.
These are my favorite measuring cups of all time. My mom got them for me for Christmas last year.
Shoot that a whole lot. You can shoot 30 bullets.
Are they the ones you can see from up above?
Yes. They are so nice.
Priceless.
Yep. Yep. I knew she would like it.
Well, and I like that it's like
Oh, like
see-through,
the-
but not the glass. I really
Yeah, that's what I really like too, is that it's like the plastic and stuff.
Do you want to like try to put like
Something
epoxy or
probably never
something
will
in
happen.
there?
the seal.
Cause yeah, it's like literally engraved. I was like, oh, it's not like sealed on top. That's kind of awkward. So we'll seal it for you. We also did a gift for everybody, and in there is an ornament that I made for everybody this year. That's why I made Camber's cricket. It's on my dad's side of the family. They used to do ornaments for everybody every year and just do something like different. So I decided I wanted to bring that tradition here. So
I like it.
I'll have Nathan hand out the presents because I'm kind of stuck. It's such a good time celebrating Christmas with my in-laws today. It was a ton of fun just being able to hang out with them and play some games for a little bit. We played Ticket to Ride, which ended up taking a couple of hours for us to finish, but I just have a ton of fun playing that game even though it takes a while when you have a ton of people. So I figured I will probably wrap up things here. I'm pretty much just gonna go to bed, take off my makeup, go to bed, all that good stuff, so that we can wake up and celebrate Christmas tomorrow. But before we end things, I want to go ahead and open up the last sock advent calendar slot with you guys. Can't wait to open these up and wear them tomorrow, where they are some long socks that'll be nice to wear with my pajamas, since I'm planning on just wearing those again tomorrow, because why not? Oh my god. Let's talk about it. Those are so cute! With the polka dots, and they're gray, which like I said earlier is like my favorite color. I'm getting caught up on Trent and Allie over here. Those are adorable! Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna be wearing those tomorrow. So yeah, that is where I'm going to end things here with you guys. Again, I feel like this video was a little bit shorter where I didn't do a ton of vlogging over at my in-laws, where again, I was just enjoying being with them. So I will slowly get better about vlogging in my everyday life, so that next year for Vlogmas, it will be a little bit better as far as that side of things is concerned. But I hope you guys have had fun coming along with me this year. I can't wait to celebrate Christmas with you guys tomorrow and with my family. I will see you guys tomorrow with a new video. Bye guys.